Morning, guys. It is Monday and it's currently about 7:15. I've been here from 7:05, but the place not open, so I'm outside. Anyways, I just decided to start a week in my life vlog or something, so this is it. This is the start of it. The sun is in my face for some reason. Anyways, so yeah, I'm at work right in front of the staff room that I need to go into like right now. But yeah, it's quite early, quite pretty. But anyways, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, you should go ahead and subscribe. Click the bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. I'm trying to kind of get into groove of vlogging and vlogging in public because it's very hard and very weird, embarrassing, just weird. But anyways, yeah, trying to get into that. So I'm gonna see how much of that I can do for this week, and so on. So yes, it's Monday, guys. Let's start off this week strong. My sister is actually going off to school finally, so she's off to school already. So call her and see if she reach, how far she reach and something, because she leave out before me because she's going further. So yeah, guys, I did not know what to do with my hair, so this is what I came up with this morning. I think I'm gonna try and comb it later, like quinoa or some braid something later. So I also need to go home and do some washing. I didn't finish washing for the weekend, so I need to go home and finish that. So yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys in a sec. Let me show you guys the place. It's so pretty. I come back right in time, man. Is you hot? Is you very hot?
Hi, it's lunchtime.
It's the best time of the day.
What are you having for your lunch today?
We're asking them?
Yes.
Okay, what you having for lunch?
What is your?
No. So I'm having rice with some vegetables that I made yesterday.
never expect it also.
Hey. Good morning again, guys. It is Tuesday. I'm at the staff room again. Another day. And it's locked. It's 7:15. Anyways, morning, guys. So again, it's a weekly vlog, so I'll try to vlog like pretty much every day. Don't know how that's gonna go, but yeah, it's a new day, so let's enjoy this day. Good morning, guys. Welcome to another day. It's not another vlog because I think this is still a part of the weekly vlog. I haven't spoken a lot to you guys for the week. But yes, today is Friday. Finally have some time today, hopefully. So this evening should be fun because we're gonna have a bonfire. Let's put it into being that no rain, so yes, it's morning. I don't know why the camera looking so over there we go. So yes, guys, so I'm about to leave out. I get drive with daddy them because daddy I go somewhere, so I get drive so I'm not too rush because I don't have to take taxi. So yes, it's currently like 6:30 something, 6 something. So I'm early. I'm really early. So yeah, anyways, guys, let us get into today. Alright, so I'm at work right now. It's like 7:05 and I'm at work early. Anyways, so yes, I'm going to prepare some stuff for my classes right now. Now I'm always trying to write in the book because it's much easier. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna do that and charge my phone because my phone needs to be charged. I say guys, I got the phone the other day and it cracked again. I need to buy a case and a screen protector. Yeah, bye guys.
You see, okay?
What did I do?
Is for. You tap it so you don't feel cold.
Say hi. Just on dry ice so we can't get nothing else. Alright, when we come back over, just put down the things.
The only child that he had, as he reached his house, came out because the girl heard of the victory. Amen. Can I say amen if I'm outside? Yes. Okay. The child heard of the victory. And the child came out with timbrel and started to make noise and dance because his father win the war.
I'm being
I let him down. How can I let him down? He's so good to me. He's a miracle working.
Give me 1 second. Alright guys, so we're back home. Lighting is always bad in my room anyways. So we're back home. I'm so tired. I didn't get to vlog a lot because I was using the phone to play the music. So yeah, anyways, so hopefully tomorrow I'll try to do better at vlogging. So that will be in another vlog though, because that's gonna be like a sports day. So hopefully that will be in another vlog. So yes, this is gonna be the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed at least part of it. Thanks again so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, you should go ahead and subscribe. You don't want to miss the video, so subscribe. Click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. I know my video. Yes, click subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified every time I make a video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.